Turn around the court, Justin, right?
My turn. Hold this. No, actually, I'm just gonna take it with me. Oh
Man, I was gonna do it. Wait, hold on. Now let me get another shot. What's so hard about doing it? No, it's just that I'm not doing it.
come on, you got this. You got this, dude.
Actually run. Lift your arms up like that.
You got this. Go for it.
How else you go?
Go, go, go.
Oh, God.
Come on. Just leap.
How? Stop. Don't stop.
Just go. I stopped there. Come on, Justin, do it. You got this.